As we are talking about the rescue operations that are underway in various countries, of course, India evacuating its citizens, I'm today joined by a very special guest, a YouTuber, an influencer, and somebody who is not going to leave Ukraine without taking his big cats along as well. So obviously, we have Jaguar Kumar with us. Jaguar, where are you currently located, and what's the scene out there?
I am currently located in Donbas, madam, and a town called Severodonetsk. 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 And these 2 days, last 2 days, now peaceful, madam. Last 2 days, no bombing, no war, nothing. But that people are verifying and irritating us. No.
Right. So you're saying that you're not going to leave, this place without taking your two big cats. I can see one in the background. She's obviously, looking around as well. Have you been able to speak to the authorities? What is the sense that you've been able to get?
Actually, madam, from starting, no, shortly I will tell you. Actually, my full name is Dr. Girikumar Patil.
That's
I'm
right.
from, I'm from Tanuku, West Bengal district, Tanuku, Andhra Pradesh.
I'm aware.
So that no, I'm a pet lover, animal lover from childhood onwards. And after that, I was acted some films and serials in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi also before Ukraine. And after that I came here, and firstly 2007 I came here for studying MBBS here.
Mm-hmm.
So after 2007 and 2007 I started my course, and I completed in 2014. Meantime, I was work with few films, Ukrainian and Russian films also, as an actor. After that, in 2019, I am trying to 2018, 2019, I am trying to get big cats like Bengal tiger or Asiatic lion. So that I was tried Bengal tiger. I discussed with Kiev Zoo Park people, capital city, Kiev National Zoo Park people. When I started permission for Bengal tiger, I got, I came to know that one Jaguar cub, like it is not Jaguar, it is like crossbreed with Amur leopard and black Jaguar. Rarest species. So they told that orphan cub is there. It's very sick, like that. They told. They given like goat milk. That's why he is very sick when he was 20 days.
Okay.
They told orphan mother died.
Okay.
That
So
time
what is the appeal that you're trying to make? Because you're very adamant that till you can't take your babies, as you're calling them, you will not be leaving from Ukraine. Have you approached the Indian authorities? Have you spoken to anyone?
No. I'm calling to embassy, but I didn't get, unfortunately, proper response. So I think no. Even my place also completely surrounded by Russians. No, Russian army.
Okay.
I think it's not possible, but I am trying my level best. Because I never treat my animals, my jaguars like pets or animals. I treat it like my kids, my own children. So
Well,
that's
I do
why
understand. I can understand your sentiments completely because this is a very difficult time, and people are trying to save their lives. And here, there are people like you who are trying to save their babies, as they're calling them as well. Also, how long have these two pets been with you, Mr. Kumar?
dogs, right? Italian man.
No, these two pets, the jaguar as well as the panther. How long have they been with you?
Sorry, I'm having jaguar.
For how long have they been staying with you?
This guy is 20 months, 20 months old,
Okay.
and
Okay.
Black Panther.
Okay, we can see him as well.
Yeah, Black Panther.
Uh-huh.
She is 6 months old.
Okay. Okay.
She's 6 months
Well,
old.
we really appreciate your time. We appreciate you talking to us, and we wish you all the luck. We hope you can get your babies and yourself back home. And till then, stay safe